ERC, quality service since 1972, repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is James Spann. This is the afternoon Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the first day of May. Beautiful weather today, but changes are just around the corner. Let's peek out the window with the Skycam shots today. We'll begin with the view coming from Hamilton up in northwest Alabama. Got some scattered clouds around. A warm day, a breezy day. Readings up in the low 80s in most spots. We'll go down south. There's a look at the historic Edmund Pettus Bridge crossing the Alabama River as seen from our Skycam on the banks of the Alabama in Selma. And, of course, that water flows down here to the Gulf of Mexico. And a lot of folks out there enjoying bright sunshine today. The water temperature's up in the mid-70s, getting closer to hurricane season that is now 1 month away. That kicks off on June the 1st. Here's the water vapor satellite imagery. A few high clouds moving into the state today, but the big cold trough is still well to the west over the Rockies. Heavy snow falling out there on the mountains, and we're getting some thunderstorms that will likely fire later today in advance of that. And you can see the thermal contrast, readings in the 80s up into Oklahoma, but back in the cold air, 20s and 30s around the Rockies underneath that cold trough. And, of course, that clashing air mass zone setting the stage for the potential for severe weather this afternoon and this evening. A slight risk from near McAllister, Oklahoma, up to the southeastern tip of South Dakota. A moderate risk around Wichita and Kansas City. And we'll be watching developments out there. Now look at here tomorrow. Got a moderate risk up and down the mighty Mississippi, roughly from St. Louis down to about Greenville. That includes places like Memphis and Little Rock. Surrounding that, a slight risk all the way from near Lake Pontchartrain up to Milwaukee and Detroit. That includes Chicago. And then on day 3, Saturday, Alabama, all of the state in a slight risk of severe weather. And that is one of the issues we'll focus on today. There's our QPF update. This is suggesting rainfall amounts between 1 and 1.5 inches around here. And again, much of that will fall during the day Saturday, but this map is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Let's look. The 12Z GFS valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, 1 o'clock Friday. Intense upper-level low that's over the nation's breadbasket at the surface. The surface low is almost right underneath that. A little northeast of Omaha, 992 millibars with a trailing band of showers and storms. And again, it looks like most of the action during the day tomorrow will stay west of Alabama. I think much of the day tomorrow will be dry. Saturday, the trough goes negative tilt, passing north of the state. The better dynamics are a bit north of here, but we'll still have some thunderstorms, no doubt about that. Surface low is moving over the UP of Michigan with a trailing band of showers and storms. Looks like a stormy day. The instability values, not bad. In advance of the front Saturday afternoon, the Cape's up to 1,500 joules. Helicity on this run, not quite as aggressive. This is the 0 to 3 kilometer helicity. But still, we could certainly see some organized supercell-type storms, and there could be a few severe storms. And if the sun can break out, cranking up those instabilities, might be a pretty stormy afternoon Saturday. So we'll keep a close eye on that. And then Sunday, this run kind of keeps the rain in over South Alabama, south of Montgomery, but we think we will be dry over the northern half of the state. We'll forecast a sunny day. Monday of next week looks beautiful. Sunny with a high in the low 70s. Tuesday looks good. Wednesday, a new surface low shows up near Chicago with a trailing band of showers and storms. Some hint maybe of a little moisture for the northern part of the state. We're not going to mention rain for Wednesday at this point. And then Thursday, pretty good-looking little vortex rotates through the Tennessee Valley with a surface low developing near Nashville. And bottom line is that looks like we might see some pretty decent showers there Thursday, although it's got the rain limited really to Tennessee. And then this run kind of pushes that out of here Friday. But I think for now, based on previous runs, the best course of action is to keep a chance of showers in the forecast for both Thursday and Friday of next week, and we'll fine-tune that as needed. Quickly, at the end of the cycle, May 17th, we've seen just all kind of looks out here. This is showing a ridge and relatively dry weather, and again, confidence in a specific solution out there at this point is relatively small. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless. Weather